Welcome. In front of me is DELL 7320, and in this video I will show you how to regain access to your device if you forgot the PIN number to your account. So whether you have a local or a Microsoft account installed on your device, to recover your PIN number, you'll have to click this option right here, and if you don't see this option, just try entering PIN a couple of times, and if it's incorrect, you're gonna see the button below. So tap on it. It's poorly responsive, so sometimes you have to tap on it twice. Okay, and right now, if you have a local account installed on your device, then you'll have to answer the security questions that you prepared for yourself. And if you don't remember the answers, then the only way to recover the PIN number is basically to regain access to your account is to reinstall Windows from USB. And if you don't know how to do this, we have an entire video on our channel explaining it step by step. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And in case you have a Microsoft account on your laptop like mine, then what you'll have to do is enter the password to your account. And here you can do this using your on-screen keyboard. I'm gonna use I'm gonna use an attached keyboard instead, but basically anything goes. So enter your password, then press enter or sign in, and then you'll have to verify your identity by receiving an email from Microsoft with the code that you'll have to enter on the following page. So stop right here and then wait for the code to get to you in an email, and let me get back here real quick once I get mine. Okay, so I already entered my code, and then once you do that too, click verify, and then press continue, and in the following window input a new password for your device and make sure that you remember it this time, then confirm it using the same password, and then click OK to proceed. And after that, you will regain access to your device again. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.